Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a tune-up on your lawnmower. You should do a tune-up at least once a year on your mower to keep it running well. In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the spark plug, the air filter, the fuel filter, change the oil, and replace the blade. The air filter is located behind the air filter cover. I'll remove it, and then I can remove the air filter. I'll install the new one so the gasket is around the base, and reinstall the cover. I'll remove the spark plug boot from the spark plug. I'll use a socket wrench to remove the spark plug. Now I can install the new spark plug. Before I do, I need to set the gap between the electrodes. Refer to the manufacturer for the correct gap. In this case, it's 30 thousandths of an inch. I'll use a gapping tool to set it. I slide the gapping tool between the electrodes and take a measurement. This one's about 31 thousandths. I'll tap on the upper electrode and check it again. And I'll keep doing this until the gap is 30 thousandths. That looks good, and now I can install it into the engine. I'll secure it with the socket wrench. And reinstall the boot. Next, I'll replace the fuel filter. I'll start by removing the fuel line from the fuel shutoff. I'll pull back the clamp off the fuel line, and now I can remove it from the shutoff. Now I'll drain the fuel from the fuel tank into a container. With the gas drained from the tank, now I can remove the fuel line from the tank. And I'll remove the fuel filter from the fuel line. Now I can install the new fuel filter. I'll insert it into the fuel tank nipple and then reinstall the fuel line. And I'll reconnect the fuel line to the fuel shutoff. Now I can pour the gas back into the gas tank. Now remove the dipstick and drain the oil from the engine. Whenever you do this, you want to tip the mower so the carburetor is up, otherwise fuel will leak out of the carburetor. Also, it's best if you wait until the mower is almost out of fuel. Lots of new lawn mowers, like this one, use a carbon-filled gas cap. If gas gets into that gas cap, it'll plug it and the tank won't vent properly. Now I can add fresh oil to the engine. I'll place a funnel into the fill tube. And I'll add the oil slowly, checking the level with the dipstick as I go. After I add, I'll wait a second for the oil to settle into the crankcase. Still just a little low, so I'll add a little more. And that looks correct. And I'll replace and secure the dipstick. Now I'll take a look at the lawnmower blades. Again, I'll tip the mower on its side and go ahead and remove the blades. Most mowers will just have a single blade. Some, like mine, will have two. I'll inspect the edges of the blades. If they're dull, or if there's nicks, I'll either replace the blades or sharpen them. Now I can reinstall the sharpened or new blades. I'll use a torque wrench to torque the blade bolts to the manufacturer's specification. And that's all it takes for you to tune up your lawnmower.